हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। यूट्यूब के इस बड़े से प्लेटफॉर्म में मेरे नए छोटे चैनल का आप सभी का स्वागत है। दिस व्लॉग इज मेनली अबाउट नेटिविटी फीस्ट, इम्पोर्टेंस एंड हाउ डू वी सेलिब्रेट। सो देयर इज अ 9 days of novena which leads to the feast day. Here this 9 days all the children take flowers in the basket or in the plastic or something, and they offer the flower to the Mary every day morning. In our church it was at 7:30, and they offer the flowers. On the way back they will get some sweets and they come back. On the last day it's the feast day. Even on the feast day morning that completes the 9 days, the flower offering is there. So this vlog, in the starting part, we can see the how me and my mom went to collect flowers. So it's thoda nok joke, thoda fights wala vlog. I hope you guys like it. Please see the complete video for the detailed understanding of this feast. Mom on duty. This is not sun kiss, this is sun slap. Okay guys, so me and my mom are going to collect flowers for tomorrow. So me and Eva both needs flowers for tomorrow. So हम जा रहे हैं हमारे नेबर के घर. हमारे घर में जो भी है वो कम पड़ जाएगा. So we are going for our neighbor's home also to get the flowers. Eva went with her friend Janaya to play, so my mom is collecting flowers on her behalf and I am collecting flowers for myself. So let's see कितने flowers हमें मिलते हैं. और यहाँ पे होता है फ्लावर पिकिंग कंपटीशन शुरू. इसके बाद इन्होंने जितना फ्लावर पिक किया है भाई देखते जाओ. टिपिकल साउथ इंडियन स्टाइल फूड ऑन बनाना लीफ टुमारो. सो उसके लिए मेरी नेबर हमारे लिए बनाना लीफ इकट्ठे करते हुए. एंड हियर स्टार्ट्स द फीस्ट प्री प्रिपरेशंस. And this is called aloo denta. I think it's a mandatory vegetable that needs to be cooked tomorrow. This is the one which itches after like cutting it. I don't know the English name, but yeah. I did research and it is called Arabi leaf. काम किए और गॉसिप ना हो ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं हो सकता हमारे यहाँ. So some gossip time. Meanwhile, I am just roaming around the garden. इस घर के गार्डन से पूरा फूल तोड़ के हम जा रहे हैं वापस. गॉसिप करने वाले कहीं भी गॉसिप कर लेंगे इज रियल. अब हम जाएंगे हमारे घर के गार्डन में. आई वोंट बी एबल टू रीच दिस, बट देख के खुश हो जाऊंगी मैं. मेरे बकेट में बास्केट में आने का नसीब नहीं है इसका. दादा अब हम जा रहे हैं दूसरे नेबरों के घर. भयंकर लड़ाई के लिए तैयार रहिए. Am I short or tree is tall? मैंने फूल चोरी नहीं की, मैंने फूल तोड़ के फिर पूछा. It's one another the same. Me and mom trying to be cool after the Bhayankar Kalesh happened for the flowers. अब देखते हैं किसको ज़्यादा फूल मिले हैं. कमेंट करके बताओ कि कौन जीता, किसके पास ज़्यादा फूल है. And then we started decorating our baskets. कमेंट करके बताओ कि कैसा लगा मेरा फ्लावर अरेंजमेंट. एंड यहाँ पे प्री प्रिपरेशंस खत्म हुए.
So it's 6:30 a.m. in the morning and this is my outfit.
This is how my garden looks in the early morning. Full fog it looks. Me and my flower basket both are ready. And here is my fit check. फिर हम निकल गए हम हमारे सवारी में. This is my church and it's 7:30 in the morning. There are 3 different parts of him, during which flowers are offered to the small statue of Mother Mary. The procession began at the church's second door and continued to the main entrance. The struggle is real to find the seat inside the church. And then the mass began. And then they distributed each sheaf of rice to each individual present in the church. On this day, priests bless the vehicles that are brought by parishioners for a special blessing.
Sugarcane is also distributed as seen in the frame. I bought these flowers on the way back home.
दादा लीला हाय पण ಎಂಚೆತ್ತನಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಸೂ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೂ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸೋ ಅವು ತೋರದು ಓದಿನತ ಎಂಚೆತ್ತನಿ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್
ಕನ್ನಡ
ಹೋಗಿ ಪಡುಗಿದ್ರೆ ಹೋಯ್ದ ಗಟ್ಟಿ ತಿರುಗುವ
ವಿಷಯ ಕೈಲಿ
ಒಬ್ಬ ದಾದಾಪುರ ದೆತ್ತು ಕೊರಿಯರು
ಮಸಾಲೆ ಕೋಡಿ ಕೋಳಿ ಮಜ್ಜೆ ಕೋಡಿ ಕೊಂಡಂಚೆ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಪೋತುಂಡ ಒಣಸಲಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡೇಳಿ
ಅನುಕೂಲ ಅದಿಲ್ಲ ಎಂಚಾಂಡಿ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ದು ಲೆಕ್ಕಲ್ದು ಚಲಿಮಿನಿ ಆಂಡ
ಮಡಪ್ಪರಂತೆ ಬಂಗಾಡು
Okay guys, so I have reached back home. I have added all the clips and I came back at 11 something. I have changed and I'm doing some of my college works and Eva was just feeding me the breakfast. So now some guests are arriving. We will talk to them later on. We'll get back for cooking. That's it. Till then, please wait.
ಜೋಕುಲ ಸಾಲೆದ ಮಂದಿರಿಲು ಇಮ್ಮೆರಡು ಜಂಗಿಲು ಪುರಾವೆ ನಡ್ದು ಬಾಡಿಯೆ ಅದೊಕ ಕಣಕ್ ತಂದು ಪುಲ್ಜದಂತೆ ದಮುಡು ಬಾಡಿಯೆ ಅವೆಂಗೆ ತುಲೈ ಬಾಡಿಯೆ ಅದೊಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ 4-5 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ನೀರು ಬೆಚ್ಚ ಆದ್ರು ಲೈಪದೆ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಪಡ್ಬೈನಿ ಇನ್ನು ತಿಕ್ಕಡದು ಮೂದೆಂಗ್ ಊದ್ಬೇಕು.
And the guests returned. This is our traditional way to cook rice at home. We started cutting vegetables for lunch and I began with the bindi. Bhai ke skills dekho skills.
Okay, so we are all set to do some payasam. So it is 2:15 and food is not yet ready. Some payasam is boiling. Yeah. Till then we'll see the cats. Okay, so we are having kanchi, which is sheaf of rice. Okay. So we need to take out the each grain representing the each individual in the house, and we need to remove the outer covering, and each person will have the each grain with the payasam. So let's take the outer shell of each grain. We have 4, so 4 grains. Okay, so we have removed the shell outer covering of the 4 grains. So it looks like this. And payasam is still boiling, so it will take a lot of time. So till then we will put the 4 grains in this container and then later on mix this with payasam and eat. One person will eat each grain.
And payasam is ready.
First we have aloo denta curry.
The Arabi stem curry.
Second one is cucumber salad. Third is bindi. And fourth is the brahmi chutney. And then we have rice, boiled rice. And then we have mango pickle, homemade mango pickle. And the last one is sabaki vermicelli paisa.
A single grain is taken from the stock, offered with prayers, and mixed with payasam. The oldest family member feeds a spoonful to each family member, symbolizing the hope of a bountiful harvest and never going hungry. A festive traditional vegetarian meal, often prepared with at least 9 different locally grown vegetables, is shared among families. The feast connects the nativity of Mary to a harvest festival, representing a journey from barrenness to fruitfulness. It is also dedicated to the protection and dignity of the girl child. The devotion is deeply rooted in the history of coastal Karnataka and the Konkani Catholic community. It is both a religious celebration of Mother Mary and a cultural celebration of the harvest. The act of sharing the blessed sheaf of rice signifies gratitude and hope for the future. Our whole family sat together on the floor to share a meal served on banana leaves in traditional South Indian style.
कशा सैवा सुबित
0-0 असं
0-0 Eva show what is 0-0 show me 0-0 Eva कहीं गेलं 0-0 देखे okay 0-0
Eva called Sabudana 0-0. In the evening, my friends came to pick me up and I had to head back to my hostel.
ओके गाइस सो यहाँ तक आ गए हो तो पूरा व्लॉग देख के आए होंगे. इस फीस्ट को वी ऑल्सो कॉल एज अ फैमिली फीस्ट बिकॉज द होल फैमिली कम्स टुगेदर. इफ पीपल आर इन एंड अराउंड कर्नाटक और एबल टू फ्लाई फ्रॉम far, they do come and like we all family people like sit together, eat together and full veg food. Usually there in some places there is a tradition of adding fish also, but we don't include that. So it's mainly pure veg. It's like a first harvest festival. So it's not only about Mother Mary's feast, but we celebrate the first harvest. That's why like whatever the vegetables are, there is the harvest from the garden, but we don't have any vegetable garden usually. So you could see we went to our neighbor's home, that whatever arbi leaf stem and all, so we got from there. And there are so many things that all neighbors give to each other, whichever vegetables are grown in their home. So it's total not only about family, it's the neighborhood, it's about the connectivity and love we spread on the feast day. And mass was at early morning. It was around at 7:30. So morning my face was very dull. I woke up like this. So yeah, I hope you guys like the vlog, and I hope you guys understood the whole part and whole meaning of it. I could not cover much because I had to do work. I had to cut vegetables and all. So whatever was possible, I asked Eva to shot the clips for me. And important thing, I'll be having exams from this coming Friday, so I'll not be uploading vlog for another 10 days minimum. So जितना हो सकता है इसी वीडियो को देख के खुश हो जाओ. And till then follow me on Instagram. If any updates, I will say it or post it there. I'll flash my Insta ID here. And thank you guys. Now we are family of 101 subscribers. I'm very thankful and grateful for everyone for so much love and support. I hope you guys continue to do and give the same. Thank you guys. I hope you guys liked my all the vlogs, and please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and like this video, and please do comment down your favorite part. And nothing, no fights were serious, everything was just a yeah. So I hope you guys liked it. Bye guys.